ಓಂ ನಮೋ ಭಗವತೆ ವಿರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಾಯ. Today is a auspicious Saptami Tithi of Bahulapaksham of Maghamasa. It's Swati Nakshatra on a Budhavaram, Wednesday. So on this day, I thought of touching upon the 1, 2 and 3. Three Jnana slokas are the slokas that are talking about the 1 and 2 and 3 by different in different scenarios. So we start with the Guru Stuti. Om Namaha Pranavarthaya Suddha Jnanaika Murtaye Nirmalaya Prasantaya Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. So here Om Namaha Pranava Arthaya. So Pranava Artha. So Pranava is the sound in this context. So Pranava is renewal. A continuous, complete renewal is Pranava. Om Namaha, both are Pranavas. There are Pancha Pranavas. Omkaram is the Pranavam, known as Pranavam. But Swahakaram and Swadhakaram, they are also known as Vedic Pranavas. And there is a Vashatkaram, which is a Tantrika Pranavam. And there is a Namaskaram, a Laukika Pranavam. So basically a Pranavam that renews the relationship is the Namaskaram. So Pancha Pranavas. The meaning of these Pancha Pranavas, Om Namaha Pranava Arthaya. The meaning or the goal or the final goal of this Pranava Artha is Suddha Jnana Ekamurtaye. So one, pure wisdom, Suddha Jnana. It is not tinted with or tainted with either the power or the wealth. So we will discuss about that, what are the three in the three when we are talking about the three. So one, Suddha Jnana Ekamurtaye Nirmalaya. So no blemish, Nirmalaya. Prashantaya. Shanti is ever established in the peace. Prashantaya. Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. This is the one. So Suddha Jnanam, that is the Pranavartham. That is the highest supreme reality. But this is highest supreme reality. So Pranavam is sound, Artham is Artham. So that it appears like two things are there. That is where Kalidasa picks up, saying that Vagartha viva sampruptau Vagartha pratipattaye Jagataha pitarau vande Parvati Parameshwarau. So this is the two. So what is the two here? Vak, Artham. Vak is the sound, Artham is the meaning. Vagartha, Viva. In that way, Sampruptau. Can these two be ever separated? No. The one only, whatever one Pranavartha we have been speaking in the one, is now appearing as identified as two. Vagartha Viva Sampruptau, Vagartha Pratipattaye. For what? Vak and Artha Pratipatti. The sound, the expression which is being made, and the Artha that is being impressed in the listener's mind is the meaning. They are not two different things. It is the sound is expected to impress the meaning. Then only that Vak Artha is meaningful. It becomes a meaningful, but it is always one. But it appears as a cycle of transmitting, receiving, and transmitter, receiver, two different things which are going in there. Vagartha viva sampruptau, that is Jagataha Pitarau Vande Parvati, the Divine Mother, and Parameshwarau. Then what is the three? Nannaya Bhattaraka, the first poet of Telugu Mahabharatam, Andhra Mahabharatam, he does his Ishtadevata Prarthana. Sri Vani Girijas Chiraya Dadhato Ye Lokanam Stiti Mavahanti Avikala स्त्रीपुंस योगोद्भवान् ते वेदत्रयमूर्तये मूर्तयः त्रिपुरुषाः. So it three Purushas are the Vishnu, and Vishnu's name Kamala, Narayana, and then Ambuja Bhava, Srikandhara, Shreyase. So it is bad memory, so it has gone. So Srikandhara, Shreyase. So three things: Sri, Vani, Girija. There are three powers. So that one power is appearing now as three powers: Sri, Vani, Girija. Chiraya Dadhato. They have been established in Vaksha, Mukha, Anga. So in the Vaksha, on the Vakshasthala, Sri is been established for one Purusha, and there is on the mouth or the power of speech. Vani is established in the Brahma's tongue. And Girija is established on the left side of whole of Shiva. So Srivani Girija Chiraya Tadato Vaksho Mokha Angeshu. These three couples. So each couple is Vagardha Veva Samprukta, but it is three couples. What they are doing? Stripumsa Yogodbhavan, by this combination Lokanam Sthitim Avahanti. So the lokas, the worlds, are assuming the sthiti, or the existence is being assumed or induced into the lokas by the Stri Purusha Yoga Udbhavan Lokan Sthitim Avahanti. So that is what they are doing. So this Ambuja Bhava, Srikandhara, all the three Purushas, they establishing the Shaktis, their own Shaktis in their respective components, they become auspicious. Bhavato Srikandhara, Bhavato Shreyas. So Srivani Girija, they are established in their own respective Purushas, Vedatraya Murtayaha, three Vedas, the three Vedas of Rig, Sama. So they make the worlds appear and get sustained and all that and transform. So 1, 2 and 3. 3 is this. 3 Shaktis. So the Sri is the wealth. So what is the wealth? Is the produced action. By actions, whatever is produced, value is the wealth. Vani is the wisdom. Whatever is expressed knowledge, that becomes wisdom. It flows from the Guru's Shishya, that will go around, that is the Vani. Girija is the water source, basically the Parvatara Parvati, the power or the fame and the political power or the actual power. Or it is also known as Ichha Shakti. I want to become many. That want to become itself is Ichha or the Parvati. So Parvati is all through the body of Shiva. So Shiva is that great Nirmalaya Prashantaya. In the one we have spoke about the Prashantaya, one who is ever peaceful, that is Shiva. And half of that Shakti is the supreme energy or the supreme source, also known as the Ichha Shakti in the three. So 1 becomes 2 as the base of Vak, as the sound and the meaning. The meaning is Prashanta and the sound is the mantra, which is the Shakti. And that Shakti becomes Ichha Shakti, Kriya Shakti and Jnana Shakti. The power of will or the political or fame and power, the whole of the power that governs, the governing power. And the power of wealth, that is the post actions, out of actions whatever comes, and the wisdom, expressed knowledge, it flows through the generations, the highest knowledge to whatever, every piece of knowledge that exists is the knowledge. These three Shaktis are the Lokanam Sthitim Avahanti. That is what Vagardha Veva Samprukta Vagardha, the two. So So 1, 2 and 3, even though they are enumerated as 1, 2 and 3, they are always one highest reality. That is Pranava. Om Namah Pranavarthaya Suddhajnanayika Murtaye Nirmalaya Prashantaya Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. So with this understanding of 1, 2 and 3, from the simple invocation verses of different kavyas or different scenarios, we can actually reconcile the highest reality and the world view in a very gentle and simple manner. So remembering the Guru, Swami Virajeshwara Saraswati, Om Namo Bhagavate Virajeshwaraya, Swasti. Let there be auspiciousness in all three layers of existence.